Hello there, my name is Eric Clark. In this video I want to do a walkthrough of a web application I made using a JavaScript front end and a Rails API backend. It's a single page application called Nonogrammit, and what you're looking at here is a logic puzzle called a nonogram. They were first published in 1988 in Japan under the name of Window Art Puzzles, but I fell in love with them personally a couple years ago while teaching. I was trying to help my students practice logic with what we called a low threshold, high ceiling task. You know, easy to engage, but tough to fully master. And if all that went over your head and you're just wondering, is it like a Sudoku? Sure, it's like a Sudoku. So what does it look like in action? Each row and column here, each column, each row, has sets of shaded squares that correspond to the numbers at the end of that column or row. For example here, 16, 4, and 1, that adds up to 21, so that takes up at least 21 spaces plus the 2 in between each set, or the 1 in between each set. So that adds up to 23, and I can say out of these 25 squares in each row, it goes up to at least the 23rd one, down to 16 there. Check progress, no mistakes so far. Or here on this row, 18 and 2, that's 20 plus the 1 in between, so it's 21 this direction, down to, let's see, 18 here. Or 9, 6, and 5 adds up to 20, 22, with the 2 in between, over 9. Alright, check my progress, no mistakes so far. Maybe I'm losing patience, I just start clicking around on some random squares, but I want to know if these are right. I got two options. I can first check progress. Looks like I've got 3 mistakes. Okay, that'll tell me how many mistakes I have, but not where those mistakes are. Maybe I'm trying to challenge myself, not make it too easy, right? The other option is I can reveal the mistakes. This way, I can fix them. Check my progress, no mistakes. So let's see what it looks like when we get to the end. We'll cheat our way there using the Reveal Solution button here. And we check our solution. And we find that, yes, we have done it. We also get a record of how long it took us, 170 seconds. In addition to these gameplay features, you can log in and track how many games you've played, how many games you've completed, and your best time. Or you can log out and simply play as guest. If you want to try out this for yourself, I invite you to access this and all my public projects on GitHub at eclark0013. Links are in the description. Enjoy!